My name is Irene and I am a nurse, and my journey has brought me to Palomar Pomerado Health.
My name is Carol and I'm a nurse, and my journey has taken me to Palomar Pomerado Health.
My name is Jen. I am a nurse and my journey has taken me to Palomar Pomerado Health.
When I was 16 years old, I saw the birth of my niece, and I was extremely impressed by the teamwork of the nurses and how caring they were. And that's when I decided that I wanted to be in healthcare. I wanted to help others, and that's where I decided that nursing would be where I would be.
In my freshman year in high school, I had the opportunity to tour Life Flight, and I found it very interesting and exciting, and I knew at that time I wanted to pursue a career in healthcare. I also had a friend whose mom was a nurse at a local hospital, and she used to come home and tell us stories about various traumas that she had seen, and I found those stories very exciting, and I knew at that time I wanted to be a nurse. And so after high school I enrolled in a nursing program, and while I was in the nursing program I worked as a CNA through registry, and I worked at various hospitals throughout the county, but it was Palomar Pomerado Health that I felt most at home at, and I spent most of my time working in the CCU, and I found the nurses very nurturing and friendly, and I had many learning opportunities. So when I was offered a position there in a new grad program, I knew that was the place for me.
I started working at PPH 9 years ago. At the time I lived in Escondido, and shortly after that my husband and I moved away. I've been making a 40-mile drive each way pretty much about 8.5 years now, and I've made the commitment to Palomar to stay here because PPH has such a great opportunity for me to grow. I work on the medical surgical floor, and I know that the day will come when I want to spread my wings and go to another department, and I know that PPH will have a home for me.
We are excellent nurses, and we give excellent nursing care for all of our patients. No matter who you are, when you walk through those doors, we can honestly say that we give the best care possible.